Hi all, in this video we'll be seeing how to fix a slow Mac. So firstly, if you have filled up a lot of internal storage, cache memory and RAM processing work might not perform well. So go to Finder, uh, click on Go, click on Applications. You'll find all the applications that are installed on your Mac. So you can uh, uninstall the ones that you don't need. And if you have a lot of tabs running in your browser, it slows down your Mac. So reduce the number of tabs that you're using at the moment, and click on Command tab simultaneously. You'll see the number of applications that are running at the moment. So please delete them, or close the applications, and have just a few of them running at the moment. And click on the Apple logo, go to System Preferences, go to Users and Groups, go to Login Items. You'll see the apps that are running in the background. And for me, it's just iMovie. So if I want to stop it running at the background, I'll have to select it and press this button here. And go to Spotlight Search and enter Activity Monitor. Wait for all the applications to load. Click on CPU right here and sort all the applications by CPU. So here, all the applications will be sorted according to how much they contribute to the CPU load. And this way you know which ones are, uh, you know, contributing to the CPU load, and you can clear out the ones that you find it unnecessary. And the last one that I would like to say is boot your Mac in safe mode. To do that, restart your Mac and start pressing on the Shift key until you see the login window. Once you see the login window, log into your Mac and you'll see Safe Boot in your menu bar. This way, it might take a bit longer, but it actually clears up the startup disk. And one more tip that is advised is that uh, please do not shut your Mac down. By doing that, the maintenance work stops. So let your Mac sleep or just close your Mac once the work is done. I hope you found this video useful to fix your slow Mac. Thank you.